This is Logan from LVTV, and this is my first video in the whole entire world. I'm going to show some things here, and I want you to take a look. First one I got is Stormtrooper Pig. He's nice. He might have a gun. I don't see it anywhere. It looks like a Stormtrooper head. And the last one is Panda Baba Pig. He's like half pig, half beaver, except he has smaller ears and buck teeth and kind of hairy on the bottom. Oh, and my brother brought 4 pieces of wood. It's really 4 pieces. Brother, get out! It's really 4 pieces because they're really Death Star pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brother, no pinging.
In case you need anything.
I don't need anything. And this is the door for Jabba's palace. There's buttons on the side. The closure door. Last one is the thing for small people. It's snow speeder. Somebody put Play-Doh in it, but I don't know who. It's probably my brother. Next one we have here is the Bluebird keychain. He's kind of cute. He's kind of small, like always. He might be nice, but maybe he is. Actually, he's really cute. Next one we got is my 2 friends that I sleep with every day is Dummy and Puppy. Puppy kind of beat up except for the cracked eye, lost eye, teared nose, and mouth. Not yet. The next one I got here is the Iceberg Bento Plus. Somebody drew on it. It's like a puppet. I can do this. Like that. So the next one I got is my sister's polar bear. My brother decorated it. Its mouth can open a little. And pretty small tail, 4 feet like always. And not teared up nose probably. So that's all from him. And next we go on top is Bluebird. It's the one that kind of makes sound a little. And these goes into 3. He was it's like this Bluebird, but he kind of really wasn't. Except this one's a keychain, this one is. That's all. Next one we got here is Redbird and Snow Gear. He's all ready to play in the snow like this. Woohoo! Splat! Jingle bell thing. His feathers are under the hat, really. So, you can't probably see him. Oh, and these are way up, probably on top of his head. No. And the next one I got is King Pig. He's so nice. He makes one sound like always. A crown. He makes the sound, but he doesn't really. Next one we got is Pig Keychain. He's good, but kind of wet. He's like my other keychain. Let me find it first. Then like this one. Yeah, it's not really the same. Like this. Pew! That's all for.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Not yet. Yeah. And this is Big Brother. He's the strongest from ever. Except he's kind of big, strong. He kind of makes noise, but I don't want to show it during the video. Don't bother me. And we got Orange Bird. He's kind of cute with a mosquito beak, longer feathers than usual. He has 2 feathers on here, no bird does. He makes noise, but I don't want to do it right now. And next one we have here is Super Bird thing. It's called a laser bird, and the cape, the lightning striker thing. So great and stuff. Next one we got here is this Seth pig. I probably have time for one more, and somebody bring it to me. Okay, the last one I can show here is Red Bird. He's kind of nice. He makes noise a little. Actually, he doesn't. So, how I make this video is from my good friend Evan and from EvanTube and that's the end of my video. Please subscribe.
Mom, I'm gonna make a video.